Angle of elevation. In this module, you will learn about line of sight and angle of elevation. Abhi and Ayana are flying a kite in the park.
Look, Abhi, the kite is flying like a bird in the sky. Yes, Ayana, fly it higher, higher. Oh no, it's stuck into a tree. It's not coming out. Father can help us. Let's call Father. Father, our kite has stuck into a tree. Ayana tried to free it, but no luck.
Let's see.
Look, Father, it's stuck too high on the tree.
Let me bring a ladder so that I can bring down the kite.
Look, Father, the ladder forms an angle with ground.
Yes, Abhi. Do you know any interesting fact about this angle?
What interesting fact, Father?
An angle is formed between the horizontal line parallel to the ground and line of sight of any object. We call it the angle of elevation. A line of sight is an imaginary line from the eye of an observer to the object. The vertex of angle is called an observation point.
Here, the angle formed between the ladder and the ground is called the angle of elevation, and the point of contact with the ground is called the point of observation.
Very good. As the ladder is inclined with the tree, it is also called an angle of inclination.
Let us see some more situations where there is an angle of elevation. A boy walking on the road. He looks at the top of a building. The top of the building forms an angle of elevation with the eye of an observer. The line between the observer point and building top is called the line of sight. A ship is sailing on the sea. A man standing on the deck of the ship sees a lighthouse at some distance. The top of the light makes an angle of elevation at the eye of the man. The line joining the top of the lighthouse and the observer's eye is called the line of sight. The top of the pole makes an angle of elevation at the tip of shadow of the pole. Let's recap. The line of sight is the line drawn from an observation point to the point in the object viewed by an observer. The angle of elevation of the point viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed is above the horizontal level.